Maple. How big do maple trees grow here?
There's quite a lot. In Shizuoka, mainly it's Sugi and Hyogi because they plant it so much.
Right.
But if you go to apparently Hokkaido is good for maple.
Yeah, imagine. Maple grows well in the north.
So much about trees and wood. Their knowledge together, never together under the same roof. First time. So much chishin.
Sourcing the wood for them.
And Yuki too knows a lot about wood. I know like zero. I know like zero about wood.
You know about
Here in
trees a
Shizuoka, I
lot.
don't think you
You
have
know,
steady
you have
supply,
a
good
lot of
quality,
knowledge
good grade.
about trees.
Yeah, you're keeping up with this conversation. I thought we had two woodworking specialists, but Yuki is the dark horse. You just blew us away. We didn't expect that. Maki's like, why does he know so much about wood?
I've been trying to.
Yeah, but you're pretty good on the fly, right? He's holding his own, right?
Somebody else is just running.
Hi. Welcome to Woodwork.
She doesn't know anything.
So if you don't have any, did you bring a small tree with you? Yeah, I sent everybody mail. Chichai no ki motte kitte kudasai. Moratte nai. Check your mail. ちょっと遅いね。
いや、取って。
Okay.